Did you just cough?
Yeah?
Was it a wet cough or a dry cough?
What's that?
Did you cover your face while coughing? Did you use your elbow?
No.
Oh my God, the whole house has to be on a respiratory alert now. Dude, we have to take care of you. We need to give you steam inhalation. We need to give you turmeric milk. And we need to use that saline spray.
It's just one cough.
One cough? No. We're going to cancel your play date and we're going to remove all your screen time. Blue light will actually reduce your immunity. We can't take any chances.
No, I've been planning on that playdate for 3 months already. And that's screen time. I only get 30 minutes a day anyway. This is what happens when you have a father as a pediatrician.